Welcome back. Today we are looking at the style editor inside Mozilla Devtools. In this example I have my infinite image looper script loaded up, so let's take a look at the CSS. As you can see right here, I have the old school margin 0 auto, in this case 5% auto, but 0 auto hack to center your container in the screen. Before, this was a hard thing to do, and now with CSS, Flexbox, and Grid, this hack is no longer necessary to center containers. So let's update our styles. You can open the style editor by clicking the style editor tab. Here on our source panel, it shows all the CSS files we have in use on our current page. Alright, now let's get to changing this style. Let's start by taking off that outdated margin hack. If your styles or indentation is all goofed up, you can just select all the text and hit Shift Tab, and that'll realign everything correctly. So let's start by taking off this margin on the container wrapper. And when we do that, it'll jump back up to its initial position of 0, 0. So let's add some new styles into our body tag. First we need to set the height, and we're going to take up the 100% of the view height, which will be the full screen. The next thing we got to do is set display to flex, and that'll change the display to flex. Set flex to 1, and flex 1 basically means it'll take up the entire containing element, which in this case is the body. Next, what we got to do to get this centered correctly is we're going to say justify content, which is referring to the container wrapper right here. We're going to set that to center, and right away you should see it goes center vertically, or center horizontally, excuse me. And to center it vertically, the next thing we got to do is align items. And you might be thinking align content, but align content doesn't work, and if you want to look into Flexbox and grids, that'll explain why it doesn't work there. But basically just do align center, and that should center it vertically. And that's all there is to it. So now if you see, we have this guy, whoop, it's center. Awesome. We don't have any margin hack or anything. So let's save this guy. So we can click this save right here, and we're in the project folder, and we can just save it under, I already saved it before, we'll just save it as style.css, save, yes, and we are good to go. Now you would want to go into this after the fact, and you would have to link it up manually through your text editor and save it and do whatever else you need to do to get it live. But this is a great starting point, and it really helps for editing CSS inside the browser. Say if you're working with a client, or if you're working with somebody and you want to change something on the fly in front of them and see what they think, then this is a great tool for that. And you can save your edits and do a lot of different stuff with it. That is the style editor. Thank you so much for watching. This video is part of a mini-series on the Mozilla Devtools brought to you by RabbitWerks JS. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you.